Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This dictation material has been obtained from unseen paragraph. As a result of shift towards contract appointment, the feeding cadres for posts required to be filled by promotion under the relevant service rules, are expected to diminish. Full stop. This means that after some time, regular government servants may not be available for appointment to posts reserved for promotion under the rules. Full stop. In order to ensure that the posts do not remain vacant simply on the grounds that regular employees are not available in the feeding cadre for promotion, the departments should review the existing service rules and propose appropriate amendments so as to add a provision that, if none is available by promotion, then by initial recruitment. Full stop. Moreover, the qualification, age and experience for initial appointment against such posts shall also be got incorporated in the service rules, if it does not exist already, by placing the case before the service rules committee. Full stop. Persons appointed on contract basis are not civil servants, therefore, their service matters shall not be governed by the rules framed under the Civil Servants Act, 1974. Full stop. Their appointment shall be strictly regulated by the terms and conditions of their contract, and the same will not be pensionable. Full stop. Paragraph. So, Will had thought and had put in his own ideas for the improvement of methods. Full stop. The following day, he told May the employees were to learn who had won the prizes. Full stop. May put her hands in his, for she saw that he cared very much, that he had high hopes, but she could not help feeling that the $500 would never be theirs. Full stop. She was wrong. Full stop. Will won the prize, and his suggestions were considered to be so outstanding that the directors of the company marked him down as a man worth watching. Full stop. May was beginning to have a heavy heart. Full stop. Perhaps even with the money in the bank, it would still be impossible for them to get a house to meet their requirements, and their requirements, she believed, were so simple. Full stop. They walked to the third house. Full stop. It was a little way out of the small market town of the principal street, and the road leading to it had not been made up. Full stop. They had to walk carefully in order not to fall into the many holes that were in the road. Full stop. Oh dear, this is not good, thought May, and then they saw the house. Full stop. Set well back from the road. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PS in Civil Secretarial Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorten and Computer College, Shadra.